Here we have our DMAN Deep Cleanser. It's a really good deep cleansing shampoo, but it's also gentle enough to use daily. So the great thing about our DMAN Deep Cleanser is that it is enriched with peppermint oil, which gives the shampoo that lovely fragrance that is a manly fragrance, and also the peppermint oil helps to dissolve any build-up that the hair may have absorbed throughout the day. So being a deep cleanser, it really does help to remove any debris, any natural oils or any waxes or build-up that may be in the hair. So I've just applied a 20-cent piece of DMAN shampoo to my model's hair, and as you can see, it foams up really well because it is a deep cleanser. So after you've given the hair a really good scrub and the scalp, you've removed everything up off the scalp that needs to be removed. Okay, we rinse that thoroughly. So once you've finished rinsing your shampoo, we recommend that you apply a conditioner that's suitable for your hair type and your scalp type. Leave that on for a further 3 minutes and then rinse, and then you're free to style as desired.